Let's chat about the 5 common mistakes small businesses make with video content. Number 1, you aren't creating any video content at all. The stats are pretty compelling. Videos on social get shared 12 times more than text and images combined. And 84% of video consumers claim they decided to buy a product or service after watching a brand's video. The second mistake we see is not capturing any behind the scenes video content. Gone are the days of only needing fully professionally edited videos. Sure, those type of videos still have a place, but the best and easiest place to start with video is to simply capture some of the everyday things you do in your business. Without behind the scenes, you run the risk of your socials being too static and lacking engagement. The third thing you want to avoid is focusing most of your content about you or your business. When we first start working with a new client, our goal is to flip the narrative from what you do or how long you've been in business to how you serve your clients or customers. Basically, what's in it for them? Number 4, when your focus is on making sales and getting money in the door, your video content runs the risk of being too salesy. Not everyone watching your content is ready to buy, and people need to trust you before they'll do business with you. So be clear about the purpose of each video before you begin. And here's number 5. If you've nailed your social videos, that's awesome. Now you want to make sure you're repurposing them. How can you turn one longer video into multiple shorter ones? Is there a version that can be used on your website to increase the eyeballs and engagement? Putting relevant videos on key website pages or blogs can dramatically lift time on page. We've seen it time and time again on client websites. The page is more enticing, people stay longer, and it goes a long way to building trust and authority in the eyes of your customer. That means better qualified inquiries and ultimately more revenue. Need help with your video content? Let's have a chat. Book in for a free discovery call.